guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a tutorial on the makeup look I'm wearing right now. So if you want to see how to achieve this makeup look, please go ahead and keep on watching. So as you can see, I have my eyebrows filled in and my eyes primed, and I'm going to take this NYX jumbo pencil in the shade Milk, and I am applying that all over my lid, and then I'll blend it out with my finger. This will help the colors we'll put on our lid pop more. So yeah. Next, for my crease color and my transition shade, I am taking the shade Smoothie in the palette, and with a big fluffy brush I am blending that into the crease, so this will help us have a smoother transition between the shades. Next, I am taking the shade Punch Bowl, which is a really pretty pink color, and with a smaller brush I am going to apply that into the outer corner, and as well work it into the crease, just not take it too up to the brow bone because I don't want to lose the first shade we applied. And then I am going back with the first brush and I am blending the shades together so we can have a smooth finish. Next, to darken the look a tiny bit more, I am taking the shade Swing, which is a more purpley color, and I am applying that right on top of the pink shade we applied earlier, and again I am blending that into the outer corner and the crease, and then I'm going back with the big fluffy blending brush and I am blending all the shades together. Next, I am taking a clean blending brush and I am blending the shades even more so everything is nice and smooth. Next, for my lid color, I am taking the shade Party, which is a dark reddish pinkish color, and with a flat brush I am applying that slowly and I am building it on the go so I don't put too much at one time. And then I am taking again the blending brush and I blend the lid color with the crease colors so we can have a smooth finish. Next, I'm taking a liquid eyeliner and I am creating a winged liner, and to darken this look a tiny bit more I am taking the shade Road Trip, which is a black shade, with a pencil brush, and I am applying that gently into the crease and a tiny bit on the outer corner, and then I am taking the shade Punch Bowl and I am blending the black even more. Now, because we put lots of colorful shadows on our eyes, the transition shade got lost in the blending process, so now I'm taking again the shade Smoothie with a clean blending brush and I am blending the edges of this makeup look so everything looks put together and in place. And for my lower lash line I am using the shade Party, which I used for my lid color, and I am blending that on my lower lashes. And as you can see, I have all my base makeup done. I did it off camera so we can save some time, and all the products will be in the description box. Next, to blend the lower lashes even more, I am taking the shade Punch Bowl with a small blending brush and I am blending the shade Party with that. Next, I'm taking a black Khol pencil and I am lining my lower and my upper waterline, and with this glitter eyeliner I am applying that into my inner corners as a highlight, and as well I am lining my brow with it so I can create like a glittery line underneath my eyebrows. Next I curled my lashes and I am applying some mascara, and as well I will be applying some false lashes, and that will be the finished look. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!